In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a profit and loss report in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your dashboard, where you can access all the main tools you need. Make sure you're in the correct company file before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one business account. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click on Reports. This section is where QuickBooks stores all of its built-in financial reports, and it's the quickest place to go when you want to check your business performance. After the Reports page opens, use the search bar near the top and type in Profit and Loss. QuickBooks will show matching report options as you type. When you see Profit and Loss in the results, click on it to open the report. Once the report is open, the next step is to choose the reporting period. This is important because it determines which transactions are included in the report. You can select a preset range, like this month or this fiscal year, or choose a custom date range if you need to review a specific period. Picking the right dates helps ensure the report reflects exactly what you want to analyze. If needed, you can customize the report before running it. This step is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to adjust the layout or refine the information being shown. Depending on your needs, you may want to change certain report settings to make the results easier to read or more relevant for your review. When everything looks right, click Run Report. QuickBooks will generate the profit and loss report based on the dates and settings you selected. Now take a moment to review the results carefully. This report shows your income, your expenses, and your net profit or loss for the selected period. It's one of the most useful financial reports in QuickBooks because it gives you a quick snapshot of how your business is performing. If your income is higher than your expenses, you'll see a profit. If expenses are higher, the report will show a loss. Finally, if you need a copy of the report, use the export or print option. Exporting is useful if you want to share the report electronically or save it for your records, while printing can help if you prefer a physical copy for meetings or bookkeeping files. That's how to generate a profit and loss report in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.